This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Victoria Worth. Beautiful double-wide built in 2021 in Fellowship Acres. Only 2 years old, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open floor plan sitting on 1 acre. Master bath has a soaker tub, tile shower, vanity area and a huge walk-in closet. Kitchen has granite countertops, wood cabinets with built-in shelving and a breakfast bar. Stove will not convey. Inside laundry room is a good size and has a back door to the shady backyard. Mature trees on the lot, a handicap ramp at the front door, double pane windows and a fenced area for your pets. A whole house water filter is installed on the home and a reverse osmosis system under the kitchen sink. Wonderful property close to World Equestrian Center. Come enjoy your piece of Ocala. Shed is available for purchase. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Worth at 352-857-9127.